When recording in AVI mode in Camtasia, I started noticing that I started getting these errors that it cannot load the file because of an unsupported media type. And this is what it looks like on the screen when you go to click the stop on the video, and it opens up the Camtasia editor. So I found out what actually is causing this. And there's a lot of videos out there that are trying to tell you to download another codec or download a program. It has nothing to do with that. It actually has to do with your audio, strangely enough. So what you need to do is to go into your tools menu in your recording and go in and change the audio settings. And I apologize, I'm not able to show you live because when I do this, it actually causes my recorder to crash. So I have to take screenshots to show you exactly how to fix it. So you go into your recorder, choose the tools menu at the top, and then choose options. And when you choose options, you'll see this box that you're looking at right now. So you're going to default to the general tab. Just move over to the inputs tab. After you go to inputs, you're going to be clicking on this audio settings button right here. And when you do that, you're going to see this particular format. So it's going to be defaulting to the CCITTTU law with an attribute of 8-bit mono. And that's actually what's causing this problem. It has nothing to do with the video. It has everything to do with the audio. So what you do is hit this drop down in both of these places. I like to have the format set to PCM and my attributes to 48 kilohertz 16-bit, but you can probably put it to whatever has normally worked for you in the past, and then click OK. Then go ahead and close down your recorder and close down Camtasia completely. And it's even a really good idea just to restart if you can, because you may have some processes happening in the background that's keeping it open. Then when you restart your recorder, go ahead and put it into AVI mode for recording. And then when it's done, then it should work fine, as it did for me.